In school analytics, one of the nice features of the system is a set of mark sheets that are specifically designed to pick up which pupils have achieved the age-related expectation in all three subjects: reading, writing, and maths. This is an example of the kind of mark sheets that School Analytics provides. What you see here is one for Year 5, for the summer term of Year 5. And what we've got here is we've got the maths result, the reading result, and the writing result, all from the summer term. Now, these grades haven't had to be re-entered here. They've automatically been pulled from the normal mark sheets. So there's no rekeying of data. This already existed, and this automatically populated with these particular grades. And once I pressed this calculate key, it worked out these last two columns for me. This column here shows us in how many of the three subjects the pupil has achieved the age-related expectation is. So in this particular Year 5 group, we're looking for a 5S grade. So the 3, for example, here for Anthony, reflects the fact that they've reached this secure grade in all three subjects. However, Sonia here has only reached the secure grade, 5S, in 2 of the subjects. So she's down a 2 there. And Frederick here hasn't achieved the age-related expectation in any of his subjects. Based on the number here, basically if there's a number 3 in this column here, we automatically put a green Y in this column. And in every other case, if it's only 2, or if it's 1, or if it's 0, we put an N there to indicate that they've not achieved all three subjects at age-related expectation. Once that information is saved, it does then allow us to further analyse that data by right-clicking on the column header, showing the grade distribution, and this tells us a little breakdown of how many pupils achieved one of the subjects, the required grade in one of the subjects, 2 of the subjects, and 3 of the subjects there. And we can show that as percentage of results or as a count of students. And we also have the cumulative frequency here, and in this case this tells us that 90% of our pupils achieved all three subjects, 91% of our pupils achieved 2 or more of the subjects, so they're secure in 2 or more of the subjects. And if we had anybody who just achieved it in 1, there'd be an extra line in there to reflect those. We can also right-click on the column heading here, show the grade distribution, which gives us a much more straightforward yes or no. Have they achieved the age-related expectation in all 3 of reading, writing, and maths? In this particular case, 90% of our pupils achieved it by the summer term.